Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Ako nga pala si Darren Lozano, mag-aaral ng Isabela State University, ISU, Kawayan Campus, BSIT 1-1. Ako po ay magre-report ng Chapter 6, Computing Components. The case. The case contains and protects the electronic of the computer or mobile device from damage. Yung case, also known as the chassis. Ito po yung outside part ng system unit na promoprotekta sa mga components ng computer. Inside the case, meron tayong sound card, power supply and fan, video card, the CPU or the processor, the memory module, and so on and so forth. The motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board of the computer. Motherboard consists of memory, the BIOS, or the basic input-output system, the CMOS, or the complementary metal oxide semiconductor, and all controllers required to control standard peripheral devices such as the keyboard, the display screen or the monitor, and the disk drives. The processor, also called as the Central Processing Unit or CPU, interprets and carries out the basic instructions that operate the computer. Processor, also known as the brain of the computer. It holds instructions. Multi-core processor is a single chip with two or more separate processor cores. Processor contains a control unit and an arithmetic logic unit or ALU. ALU is the part of the central processing unit that perform mathematical operation and logical comparisons and division. And the control unit is a component of a computer or central processing unit that directs the operation of the processor. It tells the computer memory, arithmetic and logic unit, and output devices how responds to instruction that have been sent by the processor. For every instruction, a processor repeats a set of four basic operations which comprise a machine cycle. It fetches instruction from memory, decode into binary instructions, execute action and move to next step, and restore write output to memory. The processor contains registers that temporarily hold data and instructions. The system clock controls the timing of all computer operations. The system clock switches from 0 and 1 at 1,000,000 times per second rate. The frequency into the system clock is the number of cycles that happens each second. Normally, at 66 million per second, the CPU, basically the brains of the computer, which means if without it, there is no computer. The leading manufacturers of personal computer processor chips are Intel and AMD, or Advanced Micro Devices Incorporation. Is an American multinational semiconductor company based in Santa Clara, California, and Austin. While the Intel Corporation is an American multinational corporation and technology company headquartered in Santa Clara, California, in the Silicon Valley. A processor chip generates heat that could cause the chip to malfunction or fail. Required additional cooling, the heat sink, liquid cooling technology, and cooling pads. And that's all. And that's conclude my report.